J.O. from the National University of Education for all of you guys. Here we go. Let's start defining what a flipped classroom is. It's a type of blended learning where students are introduced to content at home and practice working through it at school. This is the reverse of the more common practice of introducing new content at school, then assigning homework and projects to completed by the students independently at home. Yeah. Now it's important to mention and talk about the steps that this learning theory has. It has 6 steps. But now let's start talking about step number 1. Define content scope, learning objectives, and instructional strategies. Within step 1, we have to answer 2 questions. Number 1, what is the scope of your topic? How will students meet the learning objectives? And as a step 2, we have students gain familiarity with new material before class. So step 3, we have activities that motivate students to prepare before class. Step 4, in-class activities that provide students opportunities to deepen understanding. Understanding. Step 5, post-class activities that extended student learning. And finally, as a step 6, we can mention ongoing evaluation and assessment. Now, since everything always has advantages and disadvantages, this learning theory also has them. Now, let's talk about its advantages. Number 1, students take ownership for learning. It promotes student-centered learning and collaboration. Lessons and content are more accessible. It emphasizes on cooperative learning. It gives more time to explore the content. It can be more efficient. Now, more group work and student collaboration and interaction time, self-paced learning, improved engagement, deeper subject understanding, work accessibility, more freedom for teacher. Now, let's talk about its disadvantages. It creates digital divide. It depends on preparation and trust. Teachers may have extra work. Students may be forced to spend time in front of the screen. Relies on student preparation. Increased screen time. Time and effort for teacher may not cover everything required for a test. Remember, all of it was about a flipped classroom and advantages and disadvantages and importance of applying this kind of method. Yes.